Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Every man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen. We're back again with another dancehall short review. Yeah, the last time I do one of them videos, I did ask my viewers them for comment and tell me if they want to see me do more of them videos, or if you just stick to Vine videos. I never get much reply about the comment. Get a lot of views on the video though, so I'm gonna re-ask the question again. Tell me what you want to see me do. If you don't want me to continue to do dancehall reviews as well as Vines, or you guys want me to just stick to Vines and lower the dancehall review or something. Cool? Alright, so today we are talking about Alkaline. Yeah, the DJ just get released today after being held 5 days in lockup, going through rigorous questioning by police. So if you all who don't know or never know, Alkaline was wanted for questioning last week by the police. Them released it on them Facebook page and in the Star, all about say Alkaline if returning himself. I think it was last week Wednesday evening, them did want to question him, and then him getting lawyer and him end up never going to question him until Friday. I'm going Friday and then I'm going Thursday, sorry for that. I'm going Thursday. Them question him Thursday, them hold him for Friday, hold him for Saturday, hold him for Sunday, and then this morning him lawyer go into the judge and tell him say file a report say the media release Alkaline or charge him, and they're gonna release him this evening without charging him. So the DJ back on road now and is as free as can be. You see that? So now we can look on some pros and some cons, some good and some bad about Alkaline getting locked up for a couple of days and going through rigorous questioning. So first we could pretty bad. Everybody knows once you get incremented in any kind of questioning for any murder of any sort or charge, then that put all of your visa them for travel go outside of Jamaica go make money with the performance, with the music at risk. USA, England, Europe, you name it. You put all them visa there at risk. So the most bad that could have come out of this situation with Alkaline is that them could have take away visa them and all them things, because everybody knows that if you're a wrongdoer, no government not going to in them countries, right? But being that he wasn't charged, then I suppose he is alright. Understand? No, cons, the good. So the good is no. Everybody knows that Alkaline and Popcorn didn't feud. Likewise Cartel and a lot of other artists, and everybody has said, oh, Alkaline I just chat him out. The man name never get caught up on no crime. Them man never do no bad yet. Them boy they a good boy go to school and get him sexy there and bright boy, and them body no bad man. Them not fit in the music like that I go on tough. So now that him name get called up on a murder, which surprisingly most people are gonna start giving street cred now and say, oh, Alkaline, him call up on murder, man dead over Marvelly, 15 shot. So people are gonna start pre-Alkaline now and say, oh, you know, so that DJ are good bad boy in real life and do things. God forbid, because you know, so we not promote crime or violence. But the streets are going to give him respect now. All them artists who used to chat up some things in them song, because they have artists who sing songs and say how them name never, I say Alkaline name never call upon no murder, them money never get arrested or whatever. So them now have that to say now. So I guess Alkaline name going to the gangster dancehall artist book now, because him name get called upon murder and Ray and so him street cred I go up here now. That's one good. The second good is that from him wanted for questioning everywhere you turn on the internet, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, is Alkaline that. So right now him might get him more in the headline, him then at the headline more now than before. So what I need to do, I would suggest him to do now is just release some more songs, and we can guarantee you all of him picture them when post now. Everything him do now for the moment I go get a lot of attention, because people are look out for what I'm going to say now. Since as them releasing, people are look out if I'm going to release a song based on what it go on during questioning and all of that. Although he probably cannot do that because of the law Well, he probably can because him never get charged, so there's no case against him. So he probably can say whatever did I go on or do a song about the whole situation. That I gonna get a lot of ear play because people are going to hear what really go on and what I have to say about everything. You see me I say? If he post a picture now and people are going to anticipate him to post a picture just to read the caption and what am I going to say under the picture, because me personally I do that. Like me as pre-out in Instagram page and I say I wonder what the DJ ever say about everything will go on over the weekend and all of that. Cool. So that again, that's a good thing when I come out of the wanted for questioning one situation. And for those who don't know or still don't know what Alkaline did wanted for, him wanted for the murder of one Rohan Morris of Marvally St. Andrew, right? Rohan Morris was gunned down sometime last month at his home. He was shot over 15 times by unknown assailants, as them say. So Alkaline come from Marvally, and news that word on the street is that Alkaline buy up a bag of gun down at Marvally, and it might take time and be one done down at Marvally. So I guess that's how him more name get mixed up in this thing here. So we have a little thing to say now about why the police them hold him over the weekend and them just release him today without charging him. Remember, when time them did want him to question him, them arrest him, them release them want him Wednesday, and him never come in Wednesday. Him go get him lawyer and him come in Thursday. So in that, if you really look at it now, Alkaline pre-say well, him a big man. Them want him Wednesday at home. Me not going to Wednesday or Thursday. Me are going. So in order for police them are going to react to that there. To that the act there, the Alkaline go out. So they're going to say, oh, alright, you're going like a big man. We tell you if you come in Wednesday, you come in Thursday. Alright, boy, spend the weekend. And then just hold him for the weekend because them can do that. You see me? And now, boy up in thing back and now hold him for the weekend, make him sleep at jail and sitting on concrete or whatever. And then them let him go back a road and now without charging him. So everything squits out, everything even. Nobody another big man or another body now. So yeah, but that is it, people. That is just a short update about the DJ in release now. So they can stay tuned for some new tracks about what really go on in the questioning and everything. And yeah, as me say, if you don't want me do more reviews about dancehall news and dancehall song, because I'm gonna review dancehall song lyrics and kind of explain the song, because more of them artists that do some song and the people them don't understand what go on in the song them. And me as a down to earth dancehall fan, more time we get the news, or we can get the news from sources about what really are going on in the song and everything, and we can give it to you. So tell me if you don't want me to do more dancehall reviews and stuff like this, or if you don't want me to do it and say yo, just stick to Vine videos for me to laugh, because a lot of time get comments about my videos. Person say how the videos just make them deal. All day them serious and them just come home and watch a video and them happy and them go in bed with a smile. So if you don't want me to stick to just Vines, let me know in the comment section. If you don't want me to do dancehall reviews as well, you let me know. And if you don't let me know, I go do at least one dancehall reviews videos every single day along with a Vine video every single day. So that's gonna be 2 videos I upload every single day. Because all who new to the channel, I upload video every single day, mostly Vines do. So if you give me the go ahead, I'm going to upload both Vines and dancehall videos every single day. And please subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed, please I ask of you to subscribe and hit the bell beside that subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I post a video. Until next time, it is your boy Kanye Clark. Peace.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what we would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanye Clark. Peace.